Hello everybody. Now we will be doing AC voltage controller using track diag combination. As we know, AC voltage can be controlled using the phase angle method or on-off control method. Here in this experiment we are going to use the phase angle control method using the track diag combination. The track that we are using is BT136 and diag is DB3. This is the circuit diagram which we are going to use. We see we are using an incandescent lamp as a load. This is a track and diag. To control the gate current of the track, we are using an RC combination. Depending on the value of R, if the value of R is more, the capacitor will take more time to charge to the Vg minimum value, and the conduction time of the track will be less. The voltage that is appearing to the load that will appear across the load will be less. If the R value is less, the capacitor will charge quickly to the Vg minimum value, the track will conduct for more time, and the voltage that will appear across the load will be more. The circuit is rigged up as shown in the figure. This is the waveform. As I am varying the pot, we see the voltage across the load will vary. And coming to the track output, this is the track output. We see initially the track is in off state, that it will act as an open switch. When the sufficient gate current is not given to the track, it is not triggered yet, so it will act as an open switch. So whatever input you give will appear across the track because it is an open switch. At this point, when the capacitor is charged to Vg minimum, the track will trigger and it will start to conduct. This line, this horizontal line, shows the track is conducting. At the same instant, we see the output voltage across the load. We see the output voltage across the load here. At this instant, you are seeing a blank horizontal line on the track. Across the load, you will see the output voltage. So, as I am varying the pot, you will see the firing angle. This blank space you see is going to vary. And this value is Vn. Maximum is Vm. Using the Vn and Vm value, we can calculate alpha, and substituting in the formula we can find the RMS value of voltage across the load, and we can verify it using the multimeter also. Now if we see here, by varying the pot we can vary the brightness of the lamp. This is basically used to vary the voltage across the load. The same circuit, if we can replace the load by universal motor, and we can vary the speed of the universal motor using the same circuit. Basically, this circuit is used to vary the voltage across the load, AC voltage across the load. Thank you.